Both PFDs and true.
Thanks. Normal, TARA. TCAS mode is set. Active route
is set, and I'm not sure if we skipped the radar step, but it's set for my tilt.
Okay, we may have radar set, pilot. Go.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, true heading is set. TCAS mode is set, above and below. TARA, active route.
Set.
Ref mode panel. Altimeter is set. TAC ends. There's nobody else out here. It's set. Radios. We got Giant Killer and Victor 2. Who's in Victor 1? 126.2. That was back at, whatchamadinky,
yeah,
Savannah.
2016. What's that, 2345 in there?
Yeah, let's put 243 nothing in U1. I'm going to put that up there just so we'll have it.
All right. Reload.
Hang on. Complete pilot. Go.
Yeah.
All right. Ingress checks are complete. See an 800-foot difference.
Yeah, as soon as we cross the 8ers,
Yep.
tell them we're going to go up to flight level 100.
Huh.
Capella, is that all left turn?
Minimum altimeter setting, that's called a 945 millibars. Hopefully it's not much of a factor today.
There's any fool in New York flying right now.
Besides us.
Yeah, well,
Coast Guard will be flying.
Coast Guard, yeah.
To keep us out of the, off the land. And heading changes, just like yesterday. If I like what I see and the weather comes back heading, that means we're good to go. And if not, I'll be vocal as to where I want us to go, instead of the heading given.
Autopilot, auto throttles will back each other up as we always do. If it looks like it can't handle it, the automation can't handle the turbulence, we'll obviously do the hand flying and back each other up. LPU is on below 2,000, and as far as my, one thing I like to reiterate, and you just hit it, Nav, is the weather's going to make a request for a heading change. You're going to state the heading, we're going to turn the aircraft. Right now we're about 100 miles out of the eye. We just dropped our first sun. It's cold. There's winds, good strong winds at the surface. Probably that sun's away. So we're inbound northwestward here to the eastern seaboard. Sun looks good.
And SFMR just came up with a 65.
So the Smurf, she's saying just hit 65. Actually see the surface, Val. Look out your window right now. You just a little spot there you can see.
I mean, if that's the true pressure center, that's way out there in the open area.
Well, I just got a message that the last crew had some strange winds coming out this direction.
Okay.
One of the glimpses I had of the surface was calling for a pretty significant right turn. The flight level is still showing left.
It's completely open to the east, huh?
Oh yeah, it's just ripped open.
We're heading right back to that point now, looks like. Yeah, sure are.
Yep. Sure are.
Well, normally I would say they'd be coming from our left side, but now, no, we definitely have a shift down there.
Yeah, you just saw that breaker. I just saw down there.
Look at the way the spray's blowing.
Exactly.
Spray's going that way. It's blowing to the northwest. And then the bandings, and then it looks like they're just cut off right there. And then that could possibly be the center just ahead. Somewhere in that general area. It matches with the banding on the radar.
It's probably going to be pretty close to, you know, where that, it sort of makes a bend there.
Little pocket up ahead.
All right, let's take 35 left.
Okay.
35 left.
265.
5, right? Okay, what about flying into that thing? I'm looking at some of that stuff just off to the left of the main convection. Looks kind of interesting. Okay, down to 10 knots. We're close enough, really.
Be a better view. I mean, I can see what the spray is doing up here too, but
At 5, we can go off the aircraft winds.
we're definitely hunting now. Well, it's nasty down there. Nothing like we saw yesterday though on that other